You might think you know what you inherited from your parents, like your eye color or height, but your genes are responsible for so much more. For instance, did you know that your aversion to cilantro could be genetic? Some people have a gene that makes cilantro taste like soap. It's all about how our brains interpret certain compounds. Then there's the photic sneeze reflex. Ever sneezed when stepping into bright light? You're not alone. About 35% of people experience this, and it's inherited in a dominant pattern. And if you can curl or roll your tongue, that's linked to specific inherited muscle control, though it's more complex than we once thought. Let's talk about PTC tasting. Your ability to taste a bitter compound called phenylthiocarbamide reveals genetic differences in taste sensitivity. Even how you clasp your hands, whether your right or left thumb is on top, might have a genetic influence. Some people can wiggle their ears, a quirky remnant from our ancestors who used to rotate their ears like animals. And did you know your earlobe attachment, whether they hang free or are attached, can also be traced back to specific gene combinations? Ever get goosebumps when you're cold or emotional? That's a genetic reflex passed down from ancestors who needed to puff up their body hair for warmth or intimidation. The cleft in your chin, or lack thereof, is another trait influenced by genetics, depending on your family line. And here's something interesting. The length of your fingers, especially the difference between your index and ring fingers, is linked to prenatal hormone exposure. This can even correlate with athletic ability, aggression, and risk-taking behavior. It's wild to think about how many of your quirks and preferences are baked into your DNA. Genetics isn't just about heredity, it's a fascinating story of invisible instructions shaping who you are, right down to the smallest, weirdest details. So next time you find cilantro disgusting, or sneeze in the sun, remember, it's your genes talking.